Hello fam, and welcome to Cash Me If You Can, where your favorite travel guide is going to share with you 5 hilarious ways to save money in Istanbul. Don't miss the last tip. Listen, we all know traveling can make your bank account look like it's been through a paper shredder. But fear not, my frugal friends, because in this video we're going to show you how to experience the magic of Istanbul without needing a sultan's treasure chest. And believe me, the most important tip, the one that'll have you swimming in Turkish Delight for weeks, is saved for last. Oh, and stick around because we'll be answering some of your burning questions about saving money in this glorious city. The Grand Bazaar, a labyrinth of over 4,000 shops where you can find everything from exquisite carpets to suspicious back scratchers. Now, the key to surviving this retail jungle without emptying your wallet is simple haggling. Think of it as a friendly game of chicken, but instead of a road, it's a rug, and instead of cars, it's your wallet. The vendors will start high, you'll counter low, and then you'll engage in a delicate dance of feigned disinterest and dramatic sighs. Remember, a blank stare can be your greatest weapon. Channel your inner poker champion. Resist the urge to show any excitement for that hand-painted tea set, and watch the prices plummet faster than a fez off a minaret. Listen, I know what you're thinking. John, taxis are convenient, and yes, while it's true you haven't truly lived until you've played human Tetris in an Istanbul taxi at rush hour, trust me on this one. Istanbul's public transportation system is like a choose-your-own-adventure novel, but instead of a magical kingdom, you get a scenic tour of a historical metropolis for a fraction of the price. We're talking trams that glide past ancient ruins, ferries that offer breathtaking views of the Bosphorus, and buses so jam-packed with character you'll swear you've stepped into a Turkish soap opera. So ditch the taxis, grab yourself an Istanbul card, it's like a magic key to the city, and get ready to experience Istanbul like a local. Chapter 3, a symphony of street food delights. Let's be honest, one of the best parts of traveling is stuffing your face with delicious food. And in Istanbul, you don't need a Michelin star restaurant to experience a culinary symphony. The streets of this city are a veritable buffet of affordable delights. We're talking savory doner kebabs that'll make you weep tears of joy, simit carts that perfume the air with the aroma of freshly baked bread, and enough variations of kofta to satisfy even the pickiest eater. So ditch the fancy restaurants, grab a plate of something that smells amazing, and join the locals for a delicious, budget-friendly feast on the go. Chapter 4, free fun for the frugal traveler. Who says you need to spend money to have a good time? Istanbul is overflowing with incredible attractions that won't cost you a single lira. Lose yourself in the serene beauty of the Süleymaniye Mosque. Wander through the sprawling grounds of Gulhane Park, or marvel at the Byzantine splendor of the Hagia Sophia. Okay, maybe not free anymore, but still worth a visit. Take a stroll across the Galata Bridge, watch fishermen cast their lines into the Golden Horn, or simply soak up the vibrant atmosphere of this ancient city. Remember, the best things in life are free, especially in Istanbul. So there you have it, 5 hilariously fun and, more importantly, super effective ways to save money in the magnificent city of Istanbul. Now, I know what you're thinking, Girk, this is all fantastic, but what about those burning questions I had? Well, fear not, my curious friends, because I've got the answers. The answer is simple. There is no way how to save money in Turkey and Istanbul, because you will need and want everything you see or smell there. It's cheap, cheerful, and won't leave you feeling like you need to apply for bank loan. So there you have it. Don't forget to subscribe for more hilariously helpful travel tips. And until next time, happy adventuring and cash me if you can.